Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is feeling well today, blessed, loved, safe, secure, and protected. Today is a new day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So I am super duper happy for today. I reached 10,000 plus subscribers and I have all of you to thank for that. I truly do appreciate you and all the feedback, all the comments, all the love and support that everyone has shown me throughout my journey on YouTube. So today I will be giving you a mini makeover in my home for my entryway and a refresh of my office. You know, I've been in here for about a year in my home and I truly started to get a feel for what I like and what represents me as a person. So I really do hope you enjoy, and I will also be sharing with you a mini model home in Missouri City, Texas. Yes, it's a one-story that's decorated really lovely, and I wanted to share that with you as well. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Let me start off by giving you a quick rundown of the things that I have in here. The credenza came from Homegoods, $3.99. Those vessels came from Target. The greenery is something extra that came in from Homegoods. I love the lady there. She came from Rooms to Go. $300. Really loving her. She's my favorite piece, statement piece in my entire home. One day she may end up in my living room, but for right now she fit perfectly in the mid entryway. And then that little bench there came from Homegoods. It was about $49.99. That little mirror I put there, I can't remember where I got it from, but I didn't want too much over there. So I just put that little mirror there to reflect some light and for the wall not to be too bare. The vase in the mudroom area over there came from At Home. The rug came from Homegoods. The decor up on top in the mudroom came from Homegoods. Everything in this part of the entryway came from Homegoods, except for the vessels came from Target. So yes, everything that you see there, and the basket, except for the basket, came from Ross, but everything else came from Homegoods. The plant, the mirrors. I love how I created that wall of mirrors. It really opens up the space, and this place here had to be really functional for me. So look at this, guys. Look at the surprise. It opens up so we can fit all 5 of our family members on this bench. Both sides open up. I really do enjoy this bench. It's my second favorite piece in my home. So we sit here, and it was so funny because we were afraid to sit on it for a second, but we all sat and it was fine, nice and sturdy. Yep, you can see it there. Really cool feature. So I look for things that are functional and keepers, and I am not changing over this entryway ever again. Maybe in a few years, but for right now, this is where it's at. This is what it's gonna be. I really do like my entryway. Here is another view. Then here is just another look of my office that I recently did on my channel. I moved all of the black and white into this room. It's a different look for the entire home, and I really do like it in here as well. Eventually on the wall, I'm going to have a drop-down desk. So it's a lounge right now / office, getaway room. So this is a one-story Coventry model home located in Missouri City, Texas. Now, I wasn't able to enter from the front entrance. However, I did get a treat because I was able to film the back door patio, and it is so lovely. It's something different. So this home by Texas means is on the smaller size, but it goes to show you, you don't need a jumbo size mansion to have a beautiful home. Decor wise, if you don't follow trends and you follow your own heart and let the decor speak as to who you are, you can have a beautiful home that has everything that you like and makes a statement. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope you do get some decor ideas. And remember, with decor, placement is everything. I'll let everyone enjoy the rest of the video. I truly do appreciate everyone. Thanks for watching. Be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you soon.